Thank you for tuning in to this how-to video on the Project Health Check. The Project Health Check object enables project managers to carry out a periodic review of their projects. Each Project Health Check provides a point-in-time overview of how the project is performing, and you're able to create a narrative summary for the following points. What was accomplished last week? What are the overall observations of the project? And what is planned for the next week? After the Project Health Check review is complete, you are able to include the observations and ratings within your project status report. Let's take a look at this. Please consider the following. If you've had Mission Control installed before the 1.72 version release, you'll want to ensure the following fields and related lists are added to your project object page layout. To add the required fields to the page layout, you will need system administrative permissions. To add the fields and component, you'll select the setup gear while you're on your project record page and select Edit Object. This will open up the object manager for the project object. Next, you'll navigate to Project Layouts and select the applicable layout. In the left guide here, you'll select Fields and ensure the Include in Project Status Report fields are added to your project report settings section of your detail page. So you would just drag and drop those fields right into this section. This includes the health check accomplishments, any of the ratings that you've established, the scope, observations, and so forth for the health check. After those fields are added to the page layout, you'll select a related list from this guide on the left in the toolbox and drag and drop the project health check related list onto the layout. Alright, once you're done here, go ahead and select Save. Let's go ahead and create a new project health check. To do so, navigate to your related list, select New for your project health checks, and you'll want to select a date that identifies when this health check relates to the project. We recommend creating this on a weekly basis. To commence your project health check, you'll want to review different things about the project, including what was accomplished this week. Go ahead and add in your notes. What are the overall project observations? And what is the plan for next week? Once your notes are added as required, you'll go ahead and complete a review of the overall status of your project. You will have options to mark if the project status is on track, off track, or needs attention. The following can be set for scope, budget, resources, schedule, quality, risks, and issues. This will determine your RAG rating for the project. RAG stands for red, amber, green, and this will color code the ratings that we have selected. So let's go ahead and hit save and we'll get an example of this. Okay, so let's go ahead into our project health check record. You can see when this has been created, all of the summary information and notes, and then your red, amber, green rating for the overall status and so forth. Let's take a look at how this is displayed in our project status report. So the first thing I want to do is navigate to my project detail and check the project status report settings to ensure that all of the items that I would like to see will be included. Alright, all of these fields are marked true, so let's go ahead and generate our project status report by selecting the Preview Status Report button on the project page layout. Once your Mission Control status report has been generated, the project health check summary can be found before the project summary and will include all of the notes and metrics according to what is selected in your project details settings. That wraps up the summary of the project health check feature. Thank you for watching. Please see the following resources for more information on this feature, as well as many other features in Mission Control. Thanks for watching.